Okay, hello there. Today we want to try and compare the JBL GO3 and the JBL GO2. This is the GO2. It says it's on here. And this one is the GO3. See? It says it on there. Okay, and I took all the stuff off. So this is how the GO3 looks naked. And this is the GO2 open. And I'm going to play the same song here from my phone on this thing with both of them, and then we see how it sounds like, and we see how the bass works. And I'm going to play full volume. It's gonna distort a little bit, but we want to see how much bass do we get from this. So watch your audio. Let's do full volume. Has a lot more power. Yeah, so that concludes this video in a way that I can tell you that 100% when you compare those two, the GoPro 3, the GO2 3, the JBL Go 3 is much more powerful than the GO2. The GO2 has less bass than this one. No question. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Those two are great speakers though. What I don't like on this one is this thing here. But other than that, they have like a nice design. I love the smoothness here. This, I don't know how this will last over time. But yes, more power, sounds better. Perfect.